Yeah, hello everybody. Today we are going to see the unboxing video of a Calbiotech product. On the top we can see the brand name of Calbiotech, a life science company. So the front is the same life of top. In the side we can see Measles, Rubeola, IgM ELISA. This is a Calbiotech product name Measles, Rubeola, IgM ELISA. The reference number MS019M, then lot number, manufacturing date, expiry date. This kit contains 96 tests, so we should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. And also we can see this kit contains a coated Wells plate, controller standard set, enzyme conjugate, wasp buffer, stop solution, substrate. Refer to enclosed certificate of analysis for full component details. Here also we can see one instruction manual there, and also it is a C certificate IVD product. Here also we can see the manufacturing address Calbiotech from USA. This is overall view. On this side we can see made in USA. This is a back view. This is another side view. This is the overall view of this product. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking, we can see one instruction manual is there. I am going to take this out. And the next one is a certificate of analysis for this product. Before that, we can see the first product is instruction manual, a Calbiotech Measles Rubeola IgM ELISA. The cat number is MS019M 96 test. Indent use, summary and explanation, principle of test, storage stability. Yeah, here we can see the warnings and precautions, specimen reagent preparation. So these are stuff inside this manual. I'm going to keep this aside. And next one is the certificate of analysis. The Calbiotech Measles IgM ELISA, cat number MS019M, certificate of analysis. Here we can see the certificate of analysis clearly. Yeah, and I'm going to keep this aside. The next one is Calbiotech Measles Coated Wells. The reference number of this product MS105AG. This is packed in a cover, well packed, well sealed. Also, I'm going to keep this aside. The next one is IgM sample dilute. The reference number of this CC600DM, volume of 22 ml IgM sample dilute. The next one is a volume of 25 ml wash concentrate 20x CC601 WC, a volume of 25 ml. The next one is enzyme conjugate, a volume of 12 ml, reference number CC602GM. The next one is a volume of 12 ml stop solution, a CC604SS. The next one is volume of 12 ml TMB substrate, CC956TM. And next one is a calibrator volume of 1 ml MS205CM. And the next one is volume of 1 ml positive control MS305PM. And the last one is volume of 1 ml Measles IgM negative control MS405NM. Yeah, here we go for summary. Yeah, today we can see about Calbiotech product. This Calbiotech Measles Rubeola IgM ELISA contains 25 ml of wash concentrate, 22 ml of IgM sample dilute, 12 ml of enzyme conjugate, 12 ml of TMB substrate, 12 ml of stop solution, 1 ml of calibrator, 1 ml of positive control, 1 ml of negative control, 1 instruction manual, certificate of analysis, and 96 well coated wells. This is an overall view. Thank you.